Want to share files between your computer and phone instantly? No cloud storage, no cables needed. Let me show you how to turn any folder into your own local server in under 2 minutes. First, navigate to the folder you want to share. Click on the address bar at the top. Type cmd and press enter. This opens command prompt directly in that folder location. Before we continue, make sure Python is installed on your system. If you haven't already, download it from python.org. During installation, don't forget to check Add Python to Path. If you already have Python installed, you're good to go. Now, type ipconfig in the command prompt and press enter. Look for wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi and find your IPv4 address. It'll start with 168. Keep note of this address. Now for the magic command. Type python mhttp.server8080 bind 0. You can replace 880 with any port number you like. Press enter and you'll see serving HTTP on bind 0.0 port 880. Your server is now running. Grab your phone, make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and open your browser. Type your IP address followed by a colon and the port number. In my case, that's 192.168.151, enter, and boom! You can now see all your folder contents, download files, stream videos, or browse documents directly from your phone. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment if you have questions or want to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.